Well, another trip. Right now I'm in Serbia and Niš. It's going to be a very short trip before a bigger one. So this is 10 euros exchanged. I think this will be enough in cash. Hopefully we'll be able to pay by card, but I think so. It's hot outside and the air conditioning came very handy. So we've made it to the city. It took roughly 15 minutes, cost 80 dinars per person. It's probably like 30 degrees Celsius right now. It's getting very hot. So I'm glad that I didn't bring any jacket or something. Well, we've just got into our accommodation and I have to say the location is perfect, if not the most perfect location you could ever guess. This is like the city center. So basically you can just step outside and, you know, be in the very city center. It's also quite spacious, I could say. And the price is 26 euros per 2 people per night. Of course, I will put the link to the accommodation to the description of the video, so you'll be able to consider this if you're visiting. By the way, if you have Serbian money, you can use it as a cheat sheet on your physics exam. The only downside probably is that it's on the top floor, on the 5th floor. So you have to walk like up and down if you want to get there. We'll get some exercise going for sure. Yeah, basically like this. You just step out and you are in the city center. So let's do some sightseeing. Let's walk around the town because we're only here for one night. But I have to say it's like very hot outside. It's like 30 degrees, but it feels like it's a bit hotter than that. So another thing is done. We bought some souvenirs, but well, I mean, there's not much to choose from. Maybe like 3 or 4 kinds of them. And I have to say the cashiers were really nice and everybody speaks English so far. That is probably the only souvenir shop we've seen so far. We've got like an old communist building on one side and like a modern shopping center on the other one. This is the Serbian McDonald's. You can actually get like a birthday cake. It's very interesting. And we're back in the city center. I mean, we didn't probably do much, we just walked. We are on our way to the accommodation. This is the way up there. There's some final steps and we're here. What's coming up is probably a short rest and then we are off to the town again. This is the view from the room. So yeah, short rest and we're going back. It is like very nice weather. It's not cold nor hot. So let's try some restaurants in here in Niš. This one probably. That seemed like a good one. So let's go inside, let's try that. So basically we spent like 1.5 hours there. It was very good. I'll put probably a link to the description or somewhere. I'm very full. I will probably not eat anything for dinner nor for breakfast maybe. I think there's like a machine where you can put plastic bottles or cardboard bottles and you will pay by them for your music you want to play. That's, I would say, a very cool idea. Yeah, I could say the ambience near the river is very nice. People are sitting, enjoying, and it's not like even Friday night, you know? So even though it's like 11 p.m, there are still plenty of people and it's like Monday night, like 11 p.m. Tomorrow we are going to Kosovo, to Pristina. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, maybe subscribe or follow, do whatever you want, and I will see you later. So take care and bye.